This message is being transmitted at the request of copyright laws and federal offense units. A television channel titled Nickelodeon has their license expired 5 days ago. The channel's subscriber viewed this channel when the anti-piracy screen popped up. It is a serious crime to pirate television channels. It is also a serious crime to pirate video games. The fine for pirating is $500 or a 25-year sentence in jail. This concludes this activation of the emergency alert system. Your government thanks you for your cooperation. Regular broadcasting will be continued momentarily.